What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, we are doing a little evening routine slash wind down with me. I just got done with my walk. I did 4 miles. I'm not going to bed for a while, but I want my body to start thinking it's getting ready to go to bed. So let's get into this routine. Showered, clean, and now we're gonna get into my skincare. I've never gotten more compliments on my skin as I have these past few videos. Coming from someone who's struggled with acne and hyperpigmentation my entire life, it feels good. It's just improved so much. First, diet plays a huge part on your skin and also staying hydrated. And then on top of that, my skincare, I've kept it super simple. I feel like I was just putting stuff on my face and I don't do that anymore. But I've been consistent with my routine. Another thing I've been very consistent on is my red light therapy. There are so many benefits to red light therapy. I got this mask over a month ago. This is from Foreo, who's the sponsor of today's video. So shout out to Foreo for sponsoring your girl. They are a Swedish self-care brand and they have a wide range of products from oral care to skincare to devices. And I have the FAQ 202, which is their new generation silicone LED mask. With this mask, there are 8 different wavelengths. You'll see all the different colors on there. When it comes to wavelengths, they all penetrate your skin differently. So you have some wavelengths that are shorter and some that are much longer, like infrared and red light therapy. I focus on infrared and red light. It helps with collagen stimulation, inflammation, fine lines and wrinkles, and then my biggest concern, hyperpigmentation. Now, quick disclaimer for my dark skinned girlies, we don't use blue light, okay? It is a shorter wavelength and it can actually worsen our hyperpigmentation. Let me show you another thing about this mask. It comes with an app. You connect the device to your phone. And so when you click on it, I can do smart controls, you got anti-wrinkling, you got quick refresh, oil balancing, and these are settings that you can download. That way when you're ready to use it, you just hit it and it already sets up the colors and stuff for you. And then you got the light lab. It breaks down what red is for. Next, we got blue light, we got green light, orange, purple, and it breaks down each one in like the importance of them. So yeah, let's get into the skincare. So I need to start off with clean face first. I'm gonna go in with my Costco Good Morning Gel Cleanser. Just any gentle cleanser is fine. Don't be washing your face in the shower, okay? Fresh towels. I always double cleanse. I either use a cleansing balm when I have on makeup, and then if I don't have makeup on, then I'll go in with an oil-based cleanser, which I ran out of, so I just went in twice. So you gotta make sure the skin is really clean, get any like debris or leftover like sunscreen off my face. So I'm putting this on twice a week. First, I start off with a toner. You can do toners, you can do moisturizers and stuff before you put on your red light therapy mask. But do not put on retinol on the days that you're using your light. So I have this Manuka Honey, which is from Foreo. It's just a primer base. You don't have to use it. I prefer to use it. And then we're gonna put on our mask. Let me just put this on my head. You got the red LED with also the near infrared, low, medium, and high. I just have it at medium. I'm setting up my beauty room soon and my gym closet. I need to transfer all of my Honor clothes from my drawers downstairs to upstairs. Done with this. It comes with a silicone cleaning spray, and I'll just put that on a cotton pad and just make sure I keep my mask clean. Go in and just kind of wipe it down. So Foreo is having a birthday sale, but of course I also have a discount code, which is Kesh, Kesh 35, which gets you 35% off your order. And this is including things that are already discounted. So I'll make sure to put all that information down below if you want to check them out and maybe check out some of their other products too. After I take the mask off, I go in with my Bioma Milky Toner. Now this has been my girl. The first layer. And then I got my fan here. I do make sure the first layer is completely dried down before I go in and put in a second. Now while my skin is still wet, I'm gonna go in with the ordinary hyaluronic acid. You wanna put hyaluronic acid on wet or at least damp skin. I did want to show you my retinol. I use the CeraVe Surfacing Retinol Serum. So this I do maybe 3 times a week. So after that, moisturizer. I've been using the Summer Fridays Vitamin C Peptide Eye Cream. And I'll just put that under my eye and also kind of around it. Then after that, I will go in with this Laneige Water Bank moisturizer. This one's okay. I wouldn't necessarily recommend this. I'm probably not gonna repurchase. My girl Vicky, I use her moisturizer. My skin has never felt more moisturized. So when this runs out, I will be purchasing that. I'm not sensitive to scent, but it has a strong perfume scent. I won't be going in with sunscreen, but I do use the Innisfree. I love this sunscreen, and it's one of the few that do not burn my eyes when I go to the gym. Tower 28, just a little lippy. Any good lip balm is fine. That is my skincare routine. That is it. I do still have a little bit of hyperpigmentation. And then on this side, it used to just be so much worse. Look how much it's lightened up. I've been kind of lazy on my body routine, but I use the Naturium Multi-Body Butter. Baby, she's going. And then for areas where I have hyperpigmentation, I've been using this. I'm not even gonna try to say the name, I'm putting it on the screen, but it's a body lotion. Can't forget the deodorant, Boom, which is a whole body deodorant, invisible soft spray. And this one is just the soft powder one. This is my favorite scent from them. All right, next up, it is time for dinner. I made this recipe. You can actually see it on my last video, my what I ate in a day. And it was the someone corrected me. It was carne guisala potatoes, I think. So I'm actually gonna make that meal again because it was really good. I want to actually film a reel of me cooking this, so I'll show you a little bit behind the scenes. But otherwise, if you want to see the full detailed video, go to my last video and see it, or I'll also put the TikTok video in the description box. I'll put my glasses on, make myself look decent. I always get tons of questions on these glasses too. These are blue light therapy glasses I got off of Amazon. I look at a lot of screens throughout the day. I'm on my phone, I'm on my iPad, I'm on my desktop, my laptop, everything when it comes to watching content, editing content, all of that. So I be wearing these blue light glasses to help with that. done. Did I mention Tron's gone for the weekend? Yeah, he's in LA for the weekend. So, but he gets back in 2 days. So I will eat on this today and tomorrow, and then my man will probably come and finish it all. I gotta like separate my food from his because he will eat all of everything. Portion size, what is portion size? He doesn't know what that is. Refried beans here, which I spruced up. Can't we stand? Finally get to sit down. That took way longer than I thought it was gonna take. But anyways, I got my food here. About to eat. I've already been munching on it. And I got my, you can't even see, I got my iPad up here with the Kindle app. I'm reading the 3rd book in the Quasm. Jaquil J, is that her name? Jaquil. I've been like blowing through her books. I read them all on the Kindle just because her books are like $24 each. So, and there's a lot of them. I probably read like 14. I don't know, but I read all of them. She dropping these books. It's a dark romance. There's just different families within this whole little mafia world. And so, yeah, I'm reading one of the guys, his 3rd book in his series. And the books are so good. Already when I read, I am like completely immersed in the story. For me, it's like watching a TV series. That's how deep I get into it. And then her recommending these songs to listen to while reading it just sets it off on another level. I'm really starting to wind down. I am going to take my magnesium. I take magnesium glycinate from the brand Pure. Floss, mouthwash, toothpaste. And then I have an IO Oral-B toothbrush. In case anybody wasn't aware, after you brush your teeth, you're just supposed to spit. Don't rinse out your mouth. There's stuff on the toothpaste that's supposed to kind of like stay on your teeth, and if you swish the water, you just wipe it all off. I'm gonna go back in with my little lippy. Done with that. Now let's go figure out my gym fit. Currently sitting in my future closet with all of this Honor stuff everywhere. While Honor is working on like restocks and new drops and stuff that's coming, I just want to make sure that things that I'm wearing in my videos and photos are things that are actually in stock. Because I hate wearing something and then I'll have you guys like ask where is that from and they don't have it. Once we get past the next like month or two, things will be way easier. Things are opening back up to the US and there's just gonna be a lot more stuff coming. For me, it's very easy for something to mess up my day and then I'll just be like, I'm not going to the gym. I will spend so much time like figuring out what the heck I'm gonna wear and then just not go. I'm making sure I don't set myself up for failure, okay? So let me see, I'm gonna look at leggings. Then let me check what's in stock and see what colors are available. Oh, Blackberry's in stock, I didn't know that. Okay, maybe I'll wear straight legs tomorrow. We just restocked the straight leg pants that we just sold out immediately. They're in stock in True Blue. Ooh. Sorry. Teron called me. I was on the phone with him. I got the gym fit for tomorrow. I'm just wearing these effortless shorts in coal, the soft motion sports bra, and a white tank. And then I got my socks. So, gym fit, ready. No excuses to get up and just put it on. I am officially getting real tired. Real tired. I gotta do my little nightly reading. Obviously, I'm wearing my blue light glasses, but I'm gonna also go into my iPad and go to like display and brightness, and then I'm going to turn night shift mode on. I always put my phone on do not disturb until I'm ready to turn it off in the morning, and I won't be touching my phone for the rest of the evening. Yeah, and then that's pretty much my nighttime routine. Just kind of winding down and preparing for tomorrow morning. I've always focused on a good morning routine, but I just realized like I was struggling with my morning routine because I just have a terrible evening routine. I just want to make sure that I'm just winding down properly and really setting myself up to be able to just wake up and get my day started. Yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you so much for tuning in if you made it to the end. And thank you again, Foreo, for sponsoring today's video. Everything will be down below in the description box. Anything that I've shown in this video, products, all of that, will be down below in the description box. Y'all be commenting, what is this? I'm like, girl. Now, if I missed something, go ahead and comment and let me know. But anyways, good night. I will see you guys in the next one.